Good morning, my people. Good morning. How y'all doing? It's actually morning here and I'm getting ready for church, but then I decided to review a new hair. Anyways, if you're new here, my name is Clemmy, and if you're old here, thank you for sticking and staying with me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let me know the things, the type of videos that you'll be looking for. But anyways, I'm here to review hair. This is the hair we are going to be reviewing today, Ashimary hair. I bought it with my own money. It wasn't sponsored, nothing like that. So we're trying it together. We're going to give an honest review. 250 density with 4C edge hairline, 24 inches, and I actually paid $283.87 for this. $283.87 for this. So yeah, I actually spent money on that. I'm gonna put the specs and everything, whatever it is that I chose, I'm gonna put everything in the description box. We are going to give an honest review, and this is how it came. It actually came with this bag. This bag, I mean, it was wrapped in the FedEx thing with that bag, and then it came with some goodies right here. This is what it came with. It came with that. And okay, this 3D mink lashes, it came with that. Yep, it came with this strap, the band, or what's it called? This is how it came with. Oh, it has this thing where you can put it close to your ears, I believe. Yeah. Oh yeah. That lines, how to go about it, the product care tips, all that good stuff. Did I say glue the wig? If you would like, it's like a tape to stick the glue, something like that. This is my first time installing like 360, so you guys pardon me. We're going to learn it together. We're going to figure it out together. Hopefully I get it. And this is how it came. I'm going to take it out of the box right now. And it has this extra strap on there with a tape. Yeah, that. And now let's get to the hair. Okay, this is the hair. This is how it came. Look. Let's figure it out together. I'm getting late for church, so let's be fast. Okay. It has this right there. It has this. I don't know if you can see it. The strap. There's the hairline. It came with that in there. With the combs as well. Okay, now let's figure it out. First of all, it's soft. I mean, soft, but it stinks. It stinks so bad. I don't know why I didn't wash it. Now it's gonna stink. Make sure you wash it before you use it, cause don't be like me. This thing stinks. Don't make that mistake. I'm gonna go ahead and then wet this right now, just so we can start doing it. Yeah, I'm gonna wet it a little bit just to make it okay. So we're back. I'm gonna apply the okay, I think it's okay now. And I'm gonna do same for this as well. just gonna use my glue, the base glue, to just secure it a little bit because I'm not about to. I don't have energy to get my blow dryer, so we're going to let it sit and air dry it. I don't have the energy to go grab it right now. I think it's okay. So now I cut it forward. Dry, and dry. And there we go. Okay, I think it's okay. Hello everyone. I really don't know that song. I'm gonna go ahead and use this since they added it to it. I might as well use it. If y'all see me looking here, my mirror is right there. That's why. Okay, let's hide this thing. First of all, I'm gonna use this mousse to make this light. Not even coming off. Feels good. Did I use too much? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, let's see how the back is looking. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna add a little mousse to the one at the back, just to So this is the hair. This is the final look. This is what I was able to achieve. And again, I don't know if it's really shown this. And I love it. It's good. It's soft. It's it's nice. I like it. Guys, this is the hair. Again, this is from Ashimary Hair 360 Wig. 360 Kinky Curly Wig. 24 inches. And we achieved the high bun. I'm gonna put everything in the description box below and y'all can go ahead and purchase it. Again, this hair wasn't given to me. I bought it. So this is an honest review, okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share. Please share. Let's grow together, please. Bye. Let's go to church now, okay?